Tracfone International Calling uses the International Long Distance ILD service. If your calls aren't working, the most common causes are balance issues, incorrect dialing codes, or ILD app glitches. First, check your ILD balance in the Tracfone app or website. Low balance warnings are sent via SMS or app notifications. Insufficient funds will cause call failures. Next, ensure you're using the correct exit code, usually 011 from the US, followed by the country code and phone number. The ILD app should automate this, but manual dialing requires correct codes, +44 for the UK, for example. App problems like syncing errors during peak times can also disrupt service. Try restarting the app or your phone. Consider also resetting the balance sync within the ILD app. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, verify that ILD is active on your account. You can add it through the app or Tracfone website. Compatible devices are generally unlocked GSM phones. CDMA-only phones may have limitations. Check your phone's signal strength and ensure roaming is enabled if applicable. Resetting your phone, clearing the app cache, or reinstalling the app can resolve persistent issues. Also, confirm your phone's APN settings are correct. Tracfone's APN is Tracfone. If problems persist, contact Tracfone support for assistance. For users experiencing rapid balance depletion, utilize the ILD app's troubleshooting feature to reset the balance sync.